This is my honest review and summary of Vigo Classic Cilantro Lime Rice, fresh and zesty flavor. First thing I always like to do is show the back side, which calories are 200 for a third cup dry, which usually ends up being a cup prepared. And you have 4 grams of protein in there and 1 gram of fiber. So the Vigo Cilantro Rice is a popular box meal kit that is a flavorful and convenient way to enjoy traditional Latin American cuisine. The meal kit includes long grain rice, cilantro, and lime, and it smells so good when you're cooking it. It just fills the house with aromatic flavors. The meal kit is easy to prepare with simple instructions that can be completed in under 30 minutes. I mean, it's a pot and it's a water, and you just dump it in there. It cooks with the spices and just creates a fragrant and flavorful dish that pairs well with a variety of proteins and vegetables, especially your chickens and your beefs. One of the benefits of Vigo Cilantro Lime Rice is that it is a high-quality product made with natural ingredients. The rice is gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. In addition to its great taste, the meal kit is also a good source of fiber. The rice is a good source of dietary fiber, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied if you're on, some form of a high fiber diet. Overall, Vigo Cilantro Lime Rice, I feel, is a delicious and convenient meal kit that is perfect for those who want to enjoy traditional Latin American cuisine and flavors without spending hours in the kitchen. Its natural ingredients and nutritional value make it a great choice for those who want to enjoy a tasty and healthy meal. Go out and get yourself some cilantro lime rice by Vigo. It is wonderful stuff.